Hi, my name is Vibhu, a data analyst intern at Synent Technology. This is my task 5 submission, sales data analysis using Superstore Dataset. The goal of this project is analyze 4 years of US Superstore sales data from 2015 to 2018 to identify revenue trends, top performing products and profitability patterns that can help the business make better decisions. I merged two data sets, train.csv and superstore.csv, because neither had all the columns needed alone. The final data set has 9,801 rows and 21 columns. The first analysis, this is data set related information you can see here. I convert data types of date times from string to date and time, and I handle missing values and duplicates are not there. This is feature engineering. I add 3 columns also. Our first analysis is monthly revenue. The first analysis monthly revenue trends. The chart clearly shows the revenue spikes every year in September again and then again in November, December. The quarter 4 consistently drives the majority of annual revenue. This is the most important operational window for the business. My second analysis of profit analysis, top products, which you can see here bar chart for top selling products. The Canon imageCLASS 2200 Advanced Copier is the clear outlier, generating over $61,000 in sales, which is more than the double the next closest product. This is a flagship item that the business must protect from stockouts. The next is profit analysis. This is the profit margin by region, the categories wise profit margin, and this bar chart is segment wise profit margin. This is our third main chart. For the profit analysis, the profit analysis reveals 2 critical findings. First, furniture has only 2.17% profit margin compared to technology at 17.28% and office supplies at 16.83%. Is barely breaking even a second. This heat map shows the furniture in the central region is actually generating net loss of minus 3,281. That specific combination needs urgent management attention. This is also I created heat map for region and segment also. Last chart is for discount versus profit, scatter chart. You can see here finally the discount analysis shows a very clear tipping point. Discounts up to 20% are generally profitable, but once the discount hit 30% and above, almost every transaction becomes a loss. The business should immediately keep standard discount at 20%. To summarize, cap discount at 20%, fix furniture in central region, prepare heavily for quarter 4 and prioritize technology and office supplies. All code and visualization and data sets are available in GitHub Repository. Thank you.